let's talk about dust collector controls. So dust collector controls is a catch-all term for several different kinds of equipment that can be part of a system. Let's try to clarify what we mean when we talk about different kinds of controls and what kinds you might have on your system. So first, every dust collector needs to have some sort of cleaning system controls. And then they also will often have basic monitoring devices. So on a standard pulse jet dust collector, for example, you'll have the pulse jet controller that activates the cleaning pulses. This might be a simple timer board that just fires the valves every so many seconds, or it can be a more advanced one like a clean on demand controller that will activate the cleaning cycles based on the differential pressure in the dust collector. Then you'll also have your basic monitoring gauges like your differential pressure sensor, which might just be a basic magnehelic gauge, or it could be something like a photohelic gauge, which is a magnehelic gauge that has some circuitry so that it can transmit the signal out somewhere. Now, the most common meaning for controls is when we're referring to control panels. So to facilitate the installation and to reduce costs, many users end up just buying pre-made all-in-one control panels for their dust collectors. The main component of these control panels is the fan controls. So the most basic setup requires a fan starter, and it may also include emergency shut-off levers on the outside of the box. It will also have all the breakers and transformers necessary to run the different pieces of equipment like the rotary airlock, screw conveyor, and any other mechanical devices that are part of the dust collection system. On larger or more complex systems, we'll often include VFDs for the different motors, primarily the fan motor, but also sometimes for the airlocks or the screw conveyors and other mechanical equipment like that. Now, another class of controllers we have are called smart control systems. These are really monitoring devices that combine the basic cleaning system controller with advanced monitoring. These may collect data on the dust collector like temperature, process flow, differential pressure, and transmit them either to another computer or maybe even into the cloud and push alerts and things like that out. In other plants, especially large plants that have complex processes, they may have plant-wide PLC systems that control the different aspects of the process in their plant. In these applications, many times the customer wants to control the dust collector through their PLC. In this case, we would have the PLC connect directly to the dust collector control board to control the cleaning, or they may implement their own alternative way of activating the cleaning cycles.